we share will continue in the future also. With that, I wish everyone once again all the very best. Thank you.
चाइना को लेकर लगातार घुसपैठ कर रहा है, अभी मीटिंग भी हुई थी सर.
So there are reports that China has already occupied so much of Indian land. I think just 2 days back. Anything you want to say on that?
I would just like to assure everyone that the entire situation along our borders with China is under control. We are having a series of talks which started with the Corps Commander level talks on the 6th of this month. This has been followed up by a number of meetings at the local level between commanders of equivalent ranks, and as a result of this, a lot of disengagement has taken place, and we are hopeful that through this continued dialogue that we are having, all perceived differences that we have will be set to rest. As I said right at the beginning, everything is under control.
Sir, continuing with the information provided by you, there are reports that both the forces have retreated from the Galwan Valley, but the Chinese have refused to accept any, if you want, this Pangong chunk of the land, which is up to finger 8.
I would not like to use the word retreated in any context. There is no retreat. There is no. The correct word would be to use it as disengagement, and both sides are disengaging in a phased manner. We have started from the north, from the area of the Galwan River, where a lot of disengagement has happened. It has been a very fruitful dialogue that we have had, and as I said, it will continue, and by, the situation will keep improving as we go on.
One last question, sir. नेपाल बॉर्डर का सिचुएशन क्या है सर? काला पानी लिपू लेक की ओर को सर मूवमेंट काफी हुआ था सेना का इस बीच में.
As far as Nepal is concerned, we have a very strong relationship with Nepal, which we have geographical linkages, historical linkages, cultural linkages, religious linkages. We have a very strong people-to-people connect, and our relation with them has always been strong and will remain strong in the future.
सर एक जो इंडियन स्टेट जो नंबर्स है कैडेट्स के स्टेट वाइज, उसमें नेपाल को इंडियन स्टेट्स के बीच में रखा गया. 3 कैडेट्स नेपाल के हैं. नेपाल को इंडियन स्टेट्स के बीच में रखने का मतलब सर?
सवाल समझा नहीं मैं.
सर इंडियन स्टेट्स की कहां से कितने कैडेट्स हैं? नेपाल के 3 कैडेट्स उसी लिस्ट में शामिल है जिसमें इंडियन स्टेट्स के कैडेट्स हैं.
वो मैंने देखा नहीं है, तो इसके ऊपर मैं अभी कमेंट नहीं कर पाऊंगा जब तक मैंने देखा नहीं.
Major operations are going on lately.
As far as J&K is concerned and our western neighbor, as you would have seen, we have had a lot of successes in the last 1 week or 10 days. In the last 10-15 days alone, more than 15 terrorists have been killed. All of this has been because of very close cooperation and coordination between all the security forces operating in the Union Territory of J&K. Most of the operations have been based on information provided by the locals themselves, which goes to show that they are also absolutely fed up with militancy and terrorism, and they want that the situation should return to normal.